Yo, every day I take up on a phone, phone, England. I want this, I want that. You think me make you call me out? Eh? For me come here, you know, me no see no money tree, me no see nothing pan tree, me never even see tree with ackee. Me no see tree with breadfruit. Me no see tree with mango, guinea, gooseberry, nothing. I don't got all of them the trees in Jamaica, no can hungry down there. I don't call man tell you no dinner, no that. If me would die, I want a slice of yam, I have to go to Brixton go buy. If me want 2 mango, I have to go to Brixton go buy. You understand? Me not have no fruit tree around me. Me in a white people country, we live here, we don't have it easy. Everything we want, we have to buy. We want 2 pepper, we have to buy. Name it, anything we don't name, we have to buy it. We no can go in the backyard and pick your call over fence down there and ask Auntie Jane or Uncle Tom if they go no one breadfruit. Or you go pick them mango or them gooseberry. Eh? Not in buckle. No sell up here. If we got a dance and 2,000 people go in a dance or 50 people and the one at the back of them just put on and go in at the bin. Not in back of them no sell on. No luck you no can sell back of down there and buy flour and chicken back. We have it hard in England here. So no stay down and feel you no can take up on the phone and call and about you no scam me. You no can scam me because I no have it easy. We are suffer up here. When you call me and ask me say how you survive up there in the foreign. Eh? When it cold we have to come out. As the Korean fall, you no take cover down there and go work. You saw no live easy down there. Eh? I don't want scam me want free money. Free money no good, and phone no one good. Alright. When I tell them, I have nothing more to tell you now. When take up the phone and call me and tell me rubbish. Because I no unite with you now. Alright. I don't talk.